Good morning. It is Thursday, the 25th, so it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. This is not going to be posted on Thanksgiving. I'm just vlogging randomly, and I just want to have a chill vlog and just do random things that involve knitting and food. So that's what I'm going to do. I started out this video with like a nice little montage of me blocking my new sweater. It's still blocking. Like, it's still wet and everything. I mean, it's not like super wet, but it's not dry enough for me to wear it. But I'm excited. That was like a side project that I did. Surprisingly, didn't film it at all. It was nice to have a project that I just chill with and not have to worry about filming. But I loved filming the blocking process because it's so easy. People think it's like rocket science. You literally just dunk it in water and let it dry, air dry. So right now I'm working on an anchor sweater. I didn't make a video on that either. It's another chill project, but maybe you guys will see it more in this vlog. Day 2, still drying. I have a fan going on so that it dries faster, but it's drying nicely though. It's still a little damp. I've been flipping it and everything so that each side dries evenly, but yeah, so far looking great. I didn't use any pins because I just wanted it to dry in a shape that it fell into, because I don't care if it's big or small or whatever. Like, it's obviously big. It's gonna be very big, but I don't care. I like it like that, so we'll see how this goes. We're about to hit day 3 tomorrow, so we'll see. Good morning. It is currently the next day. It is 7:32 a.m. and I have done so much already. I'm so happy about that. I'm drinking some tea as usual. I drink tea every morning, and today later on my sisters and I are going to be actually sorting through some of our leftover yarn that we have for the month, which is a lot from just this month, and then some miscellaneous yarns that we found that we didn't even know we had. And we're going to be putting them up on our shop and selling them for like $1 to $3 so that you guys are able to get access to these yarns, because a lot of these yarns are from Europe and not really available here in the US. So I think it's a nice way for other people to dip their toes into some of the yarns that we use and love, and I just think it's awesome. So if it's still up, when am I posting this video? Tomorrow. Oh my gosh, it's literally gonna be up on the site today. So go to kopydolls.com if you want some yarn, and hopefully it doesn't sell out too quickly like it did last time, because that was crazy. But this time we have a lot more yarn, so hopefully every single one of you guys can get a little something from us. for a very discounted price. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm just going to knit because I want to work on my anchor sweater. I'm gonna go live today and it's just gonna be a great time. I'm excited. Guys, this sweater is fully, oh my gosh. It smells so good. There are cat hairs on here because my cats walk over my projects while it's drying. It smells like wool and wool wash. Oh gosh, but it's fully dry. So last night I said today is going to be the third day, but it was fully dry by morning. It's literally 8 a.m. It's about to be 9. If not, it's already 9. What time is it?
8:59.
Okay, it's 8:59 a.m. and it is fully dry, like it's not damp or anything, like super fully dry. And 2 days, that's really good to me. Oh look, I'm wearing my other Novice sweater, the first Novice sweater that I made. I know my head's cut off, but it's okay. And this is the second Novice sweater that I made. It is much bigger because I used a different yarn, but I'd made the same size. I don't gauge anything, okay? I don't care what size my sweaters come out, okay? This came out smaller than recommended, and this came out bigger. And I love that because it feels like 2 different sweaters even though I use the same pattern. Chunky edition, Novice sweater chunky edition by Petite Knit. And yeah, this is fully dried. I will take pictures probably. Oh my god, my sock is inside out. Wow. I will take pictures maybe tomorrow. It just depends. Maybe I'll take pictures on Monday or something. Or Sunday. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow. No, Monday. Yeah, I'll do it Monday so I can get dressed in it and then I can like wear it on stream and stuff. That'll be cool. But oh my gosh, it is so soft. Let me just show like an up close. It's so soft and nice. Drops air. Beautiful. That's what I use, Drops Air. And yeah, I'll take pictures on Monday so I can just wear it all day. And it took 2 full days, and I also had my fan running on it. And yes, my fan, because it's hot here. But my fan was running on it as well and drying it quickly, and I think that helped. So get a fan if you want, like a floor fan, so that it could blow on your project while it's drying if you block your stuff. But yeah, that is one thing that is done today. Hallelujah. I was hoping it would dry quickly because I wanted to wear it soon, and now I get to, and I'm happy. This is all of the yarn that we're going to be selling. Like, this is not trash. This is a bag full of yarn that is left over from our projects from this month. All of that, because we overbuy yarn because we refuse to play yarn chicken. Look at this sock set that I got. I usually show these in my podcast, but like I couldn't help but to show this one. Like, it's a winter type of sock. It's like a winter sock set. That's what it was like branded as, and it's just so pretty. It's a hand-dyed yarn from Brine Dye Works. It was originally dyed for La Mercerie, which is a shop that sells hand-dyed yarns, and it sold out. So I got it directly from the indie dyer themselves, and they're called Brine Dye Works, and they're a Canadian brand. It's a Canadian brand, and I am so excited to use it and make socks out of them. Oh, I love it so much. I love sock sets. I'm obsessed. That is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It is very early in the morning right now, but I just thank you guys for just chilling with me in this vlog. I loved filming this. It just felt so good and so relaxed, and I think I'll do more like this in December, because in December I'm going to be doing Vlogmas with my sisters, so that means a video every single day, and we'll see how that goes. But remember, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye!